Okay, this is a short introduction to the built-in data feed options you can have with the Winter Trade Cycles platform. As you see here with the login screen, the current basic version, there are 3 data feeds supported. So one is the bar chart data feed, the other one is the interactive brokers data feed, which connects to the trader workstation, and you can get all real-time data from your interactive brokers account, and the free Yahoo end of day data feed. So once you've started the application, you can choose between these 3 data feeds, which should support most of your questions. So what I want to highlight now, I think you will be familiar with the Yahoo and interactive brokers data feeds if you know about it. So let me give you a short introduction about the bar chart, the data feed. So the first link to this is in the help section. You have a direct link to the bar chart data feed subscription if you don't have any or just want to open a new one. So this connects you to the bar chart market data solutions subscription for the Winter Trade services, and here you can select between your options you might want to use. So it starts with the base bar chart data feed for a maximum of 100 symbols in parallel with the $49 per month option, and then afterwards you can choose which real-time exchange you want to subscribe for real-time data for the exchange subscription. But this is how it works as with every data feed. What I want to highlight now is a special offer and opportunity you will get with the Winter Trade platform. So there's another option called market indexes only for about $20 per month, which is quite low, and I just want to explain this option here, which is limited to the Winter Trade platform here. So with this option, and if you don't need real-time data, then you can, if you want, you can select if you want real-time data from one of the major markets here. But if you just want to use it with historical data, you can just enable I don't want real-time exchanges, and that's all. So then you can go over next, just finish your subscription, and that's all, and you will have a total fee of about $20 a month. Why I highlight this? Because with this bar chart subscription you get access to the complete bar chart historical data farm, which means you can access every index, every market, and of course you can access historical intraday data. So you get access to everything. The only limit is that you won't get real-time data in running mode, but you get historical data for everything, for future contracts, for market indices, and for all market. So this is quite the best offer I've found on the internet. So for $20 a month you get access to the whole data of all markets, all indices, all future contracts, from intraday over to daily bars. So this is why I highlight this, and I will show you this in the Winter Trade platform. So it will take about 2 minutes to complete your subscription here, and just after the 2 minutes you will be able to log in the Winter Trade platform here. So let's just open the Winter Trade platform, and then after you've done your subscription you can log in to the bar chart account just 2 minutes after you've finished your subscription service. Here you enter your username, your password, and that's all. So now your Winter Trade Cycles platform is connected to the bar chart data feed. What I want to show now, you can access everything from the bar chart homepage. The easiest way to look it up would be that you just move over to the bar chart homepage as www.barchart.com, and there, just to get a startup, you will find an easy entry about how to find the abbreviation or the symbol for a commodity future or index, or what you ever want to see on the chart. So you can switch. This is just the fast track. So let's start with the easy one. So the S&P 500 index, it will give you all symbols here. So the cash is If you look for the future prices here, this is the cash index here. So you can just enter this data in the winter trade platform here for a new chart, which is so you enter the symbol here. The information button just checks the contract you have entered. So this is the S&P 500 index, which will now load up onto your chart. So you can choose what you want to see, well, how much history here, and then it loads the data from the bar chart data feed here. So this is the S&P. For sure there are other fast track approaches here. So the SPX index here this is the abbreviation for the Standard & Poor's index directly, not the futures here. You can go back as much as you want, so you have all history which will be loaded onto the chart here. Yeah, you can just see. So these are the last 5,000 bars for the S&P index. Yeah, you can look up the for sure also the Dow Jones. Let's load the last 50,000 bars, which is quite a long time. I think the last 60 to 70 years onto the chart. I know it's you'll see it here on the chart. It's quite speedy. So this is the Dow Jones index here. So, and if you want to see all later on the chart, so now here it goes back to the year of 1915. So these are 100 years of Dow Jones historical data on the daily basis, which you can chart and plot on the chart here. So and this is, you have access to all indices, all stocks, all special indices which are available. So you get access to the complete database of bar chart. This is what I want to mention. This also includes all the other data. For example, here the futures contract on the euro. So here you can chart the euro fixing for the futures contract here. Yeah, let's see if you want the daily data for sure. Let's start with this one. It's quite an easy one. So this is the euro US dollar fixing here, and what I mentioned, you can also load historical data on intraday. So this is quite important. So we are only logged in with this low-end $20 a month basic subscription here, but I get access to everything. I will show you this now. So for example, let's start with the internet here. If you want to look for the abbreviation of the E-mini futures for the S&P 500. So here you will find all contracts here, and the abbreviation for the running contract is this one here. So we will just enter this in our winter trade platform, and let's just see if it loads up intraday data for this one here. So we will open a new chart. I think it's already done here in the preset. So this is the abbreviation for the E-mini S&P contract, and now we will look for intraday data. So let's load up 5-minute bars and just see if it shows on the chart. And here you see it. So here, even if we have subscribed to the real basic service here, you now see 5-minute intraday data on the E-mini futures contract, which means you can access everything for this basic fee. So this is what I want to highlight here. Yeah, we can even open the euro US dollar on an intraday chart. Let's have the 30-minute chart here on this one. So, and you see it loads quite fast. So this is the euro US dollar fixing on an intraday 30-minute chart. So, and this is what I wanted to highlight here. So with this basic subscription, which I've shown you on the data feed option here, so market indexes only, you might think it looks strange or it's limited, but it's not limited. For $20 a month you get access to everything, and this is why I decided to integrate the bar chart data feed, because you have real high quality history for everything, for intraday futures, major indices, indexes and euro forex data. So you can chart everything, even real time, up to daily or monthly bars. So, and I've not found any servers which start with this low fee and high quality data feed. And if you, for sure, you can upgrade anytime. So if you want to go and chart real time data, for sure, from bar chart, which is also available, you can upgrade at any time. But I think it's a very low entry option just to start over. And yeah, if you have the interactive Brugis account, so then you can just switch to your interactive Brugis account, and then you have real-time data for everything. So this is a nice combination. Just to start with the bar chart basic service from $20 a month, where you can have everything from intraday, to daily, to even daily data. And then if you can check everything, you can apply all indicators, you can apply all cycle tools to do your research, to validate your techniques. You have every historical data available, and then if you're fine, you can switch over to the interactive Brugis account, and then you have real-time data for free. So this is a quite nice combination, and this is why I want to give you a short introduction on these 3 data feeds. New data feeds will be added to the platform from time to time, so check out, and this is just the beginning to start.